Create a new array with time steps and multiple features, e.g. for LSTM. Hi, I am using numpy to create a new array with time steps and multiple features, for an LSTM. I have looked at a number of approaches using strides and reshaping but haven't managed to find an efficient solution. Here is a function that solves a toy problem, however I have 30,000 samples, each with 100 features. Equals true. Is there a more efficient way of doing this? There must be. Can someone please help?
One trick would be to append last L1 rows off the array and append those to the start of the array. Then, it would be a simple case of using the very efficient numpy strides. For people wondering about the cost of this trick, as we will see later on through the timing tests, it's as good as nothing. The trick leading up to the final goal that would support both forward and backward striding in codes would look something like this. Backward striding. Forward striding. Sample run. Runtime test. The timings of strided_axis 0 stays the same even as we increase the length of subarrays in the output. That just goes to show us the massive benefit with strides and of course the crazy speedups too over the original loopy version. As promised at the start, here's the timings on stacking cost with np.stack. The timings support the idea of stacking to be a pretty efficient one.